It's meme coin season and some meme coins are doing better than others. Dogelon Mars is among the top. Let's have a look at who's buying here, who's selling here, how long can this rally last. Let's look at the data that most people aren't looking at. Just today we went up by 36%. This week we more than doubled, and this month we've seen a rally of almost 130%. Now here's the thing with meme coins. Meme coins are very much attention driven. They either spike up very heavily or the attention moves on to the next coin and they tend to bleed downwards. So it's really a game of timing the market. It's not just buying and holding and dollar cost averaging in like with Bitcoin. Right, have a look at this. This is a long-term Dogelon Mars chart. In 2021, a nice spike, subsequent crash. Then in 2022, another spike, a slower crash. Now we are starting to spike up again. Now, isn't that interesting? If we see the same kind of rallies as in the past, this could be another 7x or so. And so you can already tell I'm not going to sell you the marketing jazz on the website, etc. We're going to look at the data most people are not considering. Dogelon Mars has 150,000 holders roughly, but not all of those holders are relevant. Here is the token holder distribution, and have a look at this. There's a lot of concentrated ownership by centralized exchanges. And at the top is Crypto.com with 18% of the supply, another Crypto.com wallet with 5.6%, and KuCoin participates in the party as well. Now luckily we also have on-chain data, so we can look very deeply at who's buying and selling here. We can see, is this the big whales that are accumulating, or is this small retail? Who's actually benefiting from this rally the most? To answer that question, I have built a tool, and I make this tool available to the premium members. Link is down below, thebitcoinstrader.com. On the left side, we've got retail. On the right side, we've got the whales. So on the left side, we see the number of wallets that own roughly 3 billion tokens. So that's at the current prices, $1,000. For the chart in the middle, we go a 10x from that. So that's now $10,000 worth of the token. On the right side, we've got $100,000 worth of the token. So 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Those are the long-term charts. And it's interesting how small retail tends to simply just buy and hold and forget about their position. But the whales, they tend to take their trading seriously. They sell off when momentum isn't there anymore. So they're not suffering from all of that decline that much. But here's the question, who caused this rally in this last month? Was this the whales or was this retail? Here are the same charts just for the last month, the same cutoffs. All wallet cohorts accumulated. The number of whale wallets increased by roughly 16%. The number of medium-sized retail grew by roughly 14%. The number of small retail only by 6%. So what do we learn from this? It's again the smart money that tend to make the right calls. The smart money buys the bottom and sells the top. So far, not much selling has happened, but the whales are the ones that made most money with this. And so with Dogecoin going up, with Shiba Inu going up even more, potentially flipping Dogecoin, people are looking for the next potential opportunity. It's still meme coin season, and the upside potential, of course, is somewhat limited for those very heavyweights. This is a game of timing the market, of figuring out risk to reward. And if the reward isn't that high anymore, because Shiba Inu, for example, is now almost half the size of Solana, if the potential reward isn't that high anymore, then people look for the next thing. And that could potentially, with a little bit of luck, be Dogelon Mars. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. There's also a free Telegram. Link is down below.